So here we have the workflow for InVideo. So if you were going to generate a video in InVideo, this is the workflow, current workflow, and I think it's pretty cool. The workflow pretty much guides you through your prompt. It helps you build your prompt so that you could create a very good AI video to suit your needs, to suit your goals. So here, the first thing you do is it asks that you give it a topic. Give me a topic, language, and detailed instructions. So you would type it in there if you are not really going to use the workflow. But here are the workflow and the plugins here. So let's first of all click Explore All. All right, so the first one you have, as you can see, is a YouTube explainer, which means if you want to create a YouTube video in general, this is a good feature to start with. The next one that they have now is script to video. So if you had your script already created and you don't need the AI tool to modify it at all, this is what you want to use. This is what I've found out has been very helpful, just going in here and using this one. Now, the next one, as you can see here, is for YouTube Shorts. And again, very simple. You go here, you create your YouTube Shorts. What makes this unique is it formats it to be in the 9:16 format. So when you are rendering it and creating it, you are creating it in the YouTube Shorts format. Now, you could also create a news video. You could have a news video here and just go in and create your news with this prompt for the news video here. And then you have TikTok video, and then you have Instagram Reels. Now, these are the ones they have now. They could always keep adding more. And this is a paid account, so you might have a different view, but this is what I have. Now, you could also clone your voice, which I have done here. Now, I'm going to just walk you through the workflow using the YouTube explainer. So let's say you have gone to the YouTube explainer now. This is what you would see. So here you could create a timed video. As you can see here, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. YouTube video about. There you go. And then give me an engaging topic and things we should talk about and not talk about. So here's where you put in your detailed instructions. Like, I want to talk about marketing our business, and this is our about page, and ensure that our about page lists all the services that we have and whatnot. Great. And then add all the relevant facts and opinions about the video. Any other additional information you want to add about the video, you can add it in there. Now, this is a cool part. Make the background music dark, haunting, upbeat, and happy. So you can actually type in here how you want your background music to be. That's amazing. Now, what should the language be? Language should be English. You see, you have the options of English, German, French, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, Spanish, Dutch, Hindi, Korean, Russian, Indonesian, Turkish, Polish, Swedish, Bulgarian, Romanian. I mean, this is just a lot. So there are tons of languages here that you can use. That makes it really, really cool as well. Now, the language should be English with subtle urban humor. So however you want the language to flow, you could put it in here. Now, let's go down to the settings. Use any male, female, or my voice. If your voice is cloned, that's how you can get to use your voice. And here also, you get to choose the types of different voices. So here you can see voice 1, my voice, any voice, clear American voice, voice with Californian accent, voice with a New Yorker accent, voice with a Southern accent, Midwestern accent, transatlantic voice, young British voice, old Husky. So there are lots of voices in here. Mexican Spanish voice, Colombian Spanish voice, Canadian French voice. They have really put in the work. Korean voice, Polish voice, Brazilian Portuguese voice. I mean, this is just so cool. Russian voice, all the voices. A lot of voices are in here for you to use. So this lets you know the reach of InVideo when it comes to AI and creating a video with the right voice that you want. And this is all for the narrator. So you can also pick up to 5 speakers, as you can see here, speaker 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and change them. That's totally up to you. Now, if you wanted to do that, all you need to do is click the plus sign here. And then, as you can see, you keep adding more. Amazing, amazing stuff. Now, add any subtitle. So you have the opportunities to add subtitles here. Another great addition here because there are many of them. So don't add any at all. Add bold subtitles with pop-in effect. Add clean subtitles with no outline. Add karaoke style subtitles. Add word-by-word subtitle. Add subtitles with a banger effect. So you see, these are a lot. I can scroll down here a little slower so you can see them. I can scroll down here so you can look at them. And here again, let me just go to the language part in case you didn't see all these languages. I'm going to just scroll down slowly so you could see them. These are all the languages that you have the opportunity to use in using this tool. It's just amazing. Totally amazing. We do have an affiliate link for you if you do want this tool. And you have the opportunity to also join our AI powered marketing group if you use that affiliate link. Okay. Now, that's for your subtitles. Now you have the watermark text. You can use your watermark text. Of course, if this is a free account, I don't know how that happens. I don't remember. It might just have to be InVideo's watermark and you might not be able to get rid of it, but you can put yours here if it's a paid account. Now, you have the opportunity to use your iStock and your media as needed. So don't use iStock if you want to save your iStock, which is pretty much the premium stock footage. Use fewer iStock, use iStock as needed, give iStock preference over others, only use iStock. And that's because you get a number of iStock videos that you could use, like maybe 80 iStock videos for the month or 100 iStock videos for the month, and you can't use more than that. So here, it gives you the opportunity to be able to balance your iStock videos because they are premium quality. They do look way better in many instances. So you can manage that over here. And then this part where it tells you about the audio. Use the best audio available. Use YouTube Audio Library only and use Storyblocks audio only. You also have the flexibility to go between all these options here, and they all work perfect. I typically use the best audio available. Why? Because this is a paid tool. You might as well use the best out of it, right? So that's the workflow. That's simply the workflow. Now, I'm gonna go out of here, explore all, and then as you can see here, YouTube Shorts pretty much looks very similar. So that's how they all are. When you then click continue, what happens is it factors in everything you've put in here and then creates the video. We have a couple videos that we've done this already where you can see how this has happened, and feel free to check those out. But I wanted to walk everybody pretty much through the workflow just to have an idea of what you'd be doing if you were to go into InVideo AI and how the workflow actually makes things a whole lot easier for you and kind of helps you to get the outcome that you want. I hope this was helpful. If it is, like the video, subscribe to our channel so you can continue to see helpful content that just makes your life easier. Till next time, take care.